If you live in Utah, you know that sometimes we have terrible air quality. Let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Brent with Western Heating, Air and Plumbing. Did you know that Utah has the 4th worst air quality in the United States? And at certain days in the wintertime usually, our air quality is rated the worst in the world. And while we can't do a whole lot to fix the air quality outside, there are some things that we can do to improve the air quality in your home. First of all, you don't want to worsen your air quality with certain products like candles and incense, or aerosols and sprays that can harm your air. And then also, make sure you keep your windows and doors closed and sealed up, especially in the winter months. The best thing that you can do is adopt products and practices that really can improve upon your indoor air quality. Some of those products would be ultraviolet lights, filters, and humidifiers. These products can attach right into your ductwork and fill your home with clean, filtered, humid air. These products can help you with asthma or allergies. They can help you recover from illness a lot quicker or avoid getting sick altogether. We'd love to discuss these options and products for your home. Please reach out for a free consultation to Western Heating, Air and Plumbing.